In this video, I'm going to show you quickly how to add the name field inside of your GetResponse emails. And if you do not know how to get to the draft section yet, definitely check out the training for the full GetResponse training, basically the basics of what you need so that you can at least get to this part. But I'm assuming you know how to get here to where you're drafting your emails. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my cursor right here after my hi. So obviously if you have a greeting, you want to put a space after it. And then if you don't have a greeting, just don't put a space, just put the cursor wherever you want that name to appear. Then I call this guy the guy with the pencil stuck in him. So you want to find him. If you for some reason cannot find him, it's probably because the screen is just too small. You might want to stretch your screen out, your page, your browser out to where you can see these options. So you click on him, you can call him a way to personalize your emails if you want to be professional about it. And you literally can type first name, right? No spaces, but as soon as you start typing, you'll see it come up. You can also scroll down to find it. See it right here. And basically, usually people use the first name or the emails inside of the personalization. Most people only use the first name in their personalization, but if you use other than that, for instance, if you collect information that goes inside of GetResponse, you can follow these same instructions. You just have to have had actually collected that information. So I can't add the birthday field in here if I never collected birthdays from my audience. So I'm just going to click on first name, and now you see you have this first name field. Now the cool thing is you can preview it and test it inside of your email. Now you definitely want to do that, and you always want to use the man with the pencil stuck inside of him in order to add this field. I see a lot of people copy and paste from swipes, email swipes. They'll copy and paste the code that's there, and they're wondering why their stuff sucks. And the email says, "Hi, first name, just checking to see," instead of "Hi, Robin, just checking to see," right? So basically, when you finish your email and you want to test it out, you can come up here. You can send a test message to hopefully a Gmail, whatever email you have attached it there, and then it'll send you a test message. And this is a recent change that Gmail just made to where you can see that it's a test message in the subject line, but they also actually put the name in there, which is a good plus sign to know that you are using the correct code. So in the past, they used to have the code appear instead of your name for the test. But for instance, if they somehow revert back to the other thing, or maybe they didn't roll out this feature everywhere, which I'm assuming they have. If you want to be safe, just use this guy right here and you'll get that up and running. So that is it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and you got some value in it, and you can move on with your email marketing. Like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're looking for a way to get your email marketing off the ground, whether it be marketing your business, your products, your services, definitely check out the link in the description above. I may have something that could definitely help you. It's definitely helped me on my online journey, and I see you on the top. Peace.